To get started, open the Settings app by pressing the Windows key plus I on your keyboard. Click on the System category. Select Tablet on the left. Now in the right section, click the drop-down list under "When I use this device as a tablet" and select either "Don't switch to tablet mode" or "Ask me before switching modes." Don't switch to tablet mode. This will keep your PC in desktop mode when disconnecting the keyboard. Ask me before switching modes. You'll get a prompt that lets you decide whether to switch to tablet mode when disconnecting the keyboard. Always switch to tablet mode. Windows will automatically switch into tablet mode when disconnecting the keyboard. Open Registry Editor and navigate to the following location. HKEY_current_user, software, Microsoft Windows current version, immersive shell. In the right pane, double-click the 32DWORD value convertible slate mode prompt preference and change the value data to 0 or 1. If it doesn't exist, you need to create it manually. Zero equals don't switch to tablet mode. 1 equals ask me before switching modes. 2 equals always switch to tablet mode. Close Registry Editor. Now Windows 10 should not automatically switch to tablet mode without asking for your permission.
Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe.